Hey guys, I'm Matt, and this is my Factory 5 Gen 3 Type 65 coupe, otherwise known as the Shelby Daytona. It's got a Gen 2 Coyote, Tremec 3650, and independent rear suspension off of a brand new Mustang. Right now, so I can't give you a super in-depth review, but just wanted to go over a little bit of it. You can basically see the outside here. BMW M5 Frozen Arctic Blue. I wanted to give you a little taste of the inside. I love this interior. Full 10-point roll cage, stereo with subs. Let me turn on that dome light. Made these custom headrests right here. Made kind of nice for long drives. Kirky seats, leather seats with seat heaters. You see that in a kit car ever? Really nice touch. Touchscreen stereo with backup camera and speed HUD gauges. These are Platinum Series, but actually the speedometer here, when I got it, it wasn't really working great, so I ended up opting for a GPS speedometer. It tells you 0 to 60, quarter mile time, altitude, top speed. I think it's 135 right now. Yeah, but I did that on the track in a legal place, don't worry, in Mexico. But anyway, yeah, I think the interior is really nice. Air conditioning, heat, power steering. Got my start button there. Willwood brakes. Dual master cylinder for the front and the rear with bias adjuster. See, check out these little grab handles I made too. I think those turned out pretty nice. Door poppers, but I also have this mechanical doorknob. But yeah, I think these door handles, made them out of a leather belt. I think they turned out pretty nice. They kind of set the interior off, in my opinion. But yeah, this is a place that I could spend a lot of time. I could probably drive this 500 miles, no issues. But of course, you guys want to see under the hood, right? Do that. Let's check out the trunk here. Nice glass trunk that's only on the Gen 3. These nice fiberglass sub boxes. They go in line with the roll cage, and they got that Daytona emblem. And got all my electronics underneath there, so everything's nice and clean. Jump post right here. Got my mid-bass speakers, tweeters. Got tweeters in the headrests. And those two ways up front. And that's about the extent of the stereo, but nice large trunk. Even with the sub boxes, plenty of space to put stuff. This was my daily before I got the bike. But yeah, I love this trunk. And just look at it, man. You're never going to see another kit car with a trunk like that. It's so unique and so usable, and that's one thing I love about this car. What I really like is my license plate. Missouri let me title it as a historic vehicle, title it as a 65 Shelby Daytona, and so I don't have to re-register it. I don't have to get it safety inspected or emissions or anything. And check out, they gave me the custom plate that I wanted. My friend helped me pick that out. D4 Tona, like Daytona. Here, all LED lights. Got the backup camera right there, and the plate. Big 335-inch, 335 section tires. Independent rear suspension, optional sway bar. Willwood, 12-inch, 4-piston brakes. Got the Halabrand style knockoff wheels. They're not really knockoff, that's just a hubcap. But really nice touch. Same in the front, except for they're 18 by 9s. These are 18 by 11s. And the paint is just absolutely perfect. I love it. And the stickers was a little bit too much for my taste, but I like these stickers that it came with, that it raced in. But I know what you're wanting. You want to see underneath the hood. Here, sorry for the delay and open up the hood, but I gotta mention what I love is these big 15-inch Willwood 6-piston brakes. Like I said, with the 18 by 9 wheels, 270 tires. All LED lights, LED headlights, LED fog lights. There's the radiator and the AC condenser. As I said, it has a hand underneath the wheel well around here. You should give it a little shake. You open up the hood. Bam. There's the Coyote. And there's my brake reservoirs. Let me put the hood pin up and I will give you. So yeah, like I said, 5-liter dual cam 2017 Coyote engine. Every single part of this car, there's no donor parts. Everything's brand new when the car was built. So Gen 3 Coyote, or Gen 2 Coyote, 435 horsepower, Moroso aluminum overflow tank or expansion tank, power steering reservoir, stainless power steering lines, stainless radiator hoses, aluminum radiator shroud, nice aluminum radiator. And the funny thing is about these factory 5s is, see, it's got a petcock on the top. That's not for a bleeder. On the Cobra, they use the same radiator and flip it upside down, so that would be the drain on the Cobra. But on the Cobra, it's tilted back instead of forward. Little Easter egg there that a lot of people don't know about. And just feast your eyes on this. I usually have the engine cover on there, but I was doing a little bit of work trying to clean things up, rerouting hoses the way I like. There's the heater hoses. You can see the air conditioning over there. And there's the thermostat and everything. Everything's really nice. Button head, socket head, screws. Everything was done really nice. And what I really like is these brake reservoirs. Clutch, front, and rear. So what's nice about that dual master cylinder is even if I lose my rear brakes, still got the front. And you're just really nice and clean. Machined aluminum. You know, I like the location. Just looks really, really clean there. With all the aluminum reservoirs. Everything really matches, and I think it really pops. As you can see, no exposed wiring. Everything's in loom. Everything's run really clean, really nice. And all the wires are actually labeled. I got an OBD2 port. This is a factory Mustang fuse box, a factory Mustang harness. Everything's run really, really clean. Let's go to the suspension. Coney single adjustable, inverted, dual adjustable A-arms, camber, and caster adjustable. We got the A-arms. They actually have factory 5 water jetted in there. Pretty nice touch. And we got the optional front sway bar in the front too. I would recommend those because these springs are pretty soft, and I like the soft springs for the ride, but when we get in the corners, we got the sway bars to handle the body roll also. Really nice touch. No windshield wipers on this one. I kind of like that. It was really clean. And speaking of clean, is one thing you are not going to see on any other factory 5 Daytona. I have never seen this, an integrated spoiler. Most people just rivet this on, and they might, you know, add some Bondo. So, but when you add the spoiler, there's like a 1-inch flange around here. And this was molded perfectly into there. You cannot tell that this is not part of the original fiberglass. Done really, really nice. So if you see me at a car show, do not touch. Because I don't know how well it's going to hold on. But damn, is it clean. Look how well that thing is integrated. And like I said, this is 2 different pieces of fiberglass right here. Now let's take a look at that trunk some more, man. I have thrown all kind of stuff in here. Got a new motorcycle tire, threw it in here after Cars and Coffee. It's great. And like I said, all the wiring for the seat heaters and the subs underneath there. Nice touch. Got optional bolt-in windows. I could just go on and on about this car, man. And I'm sure you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. But damn it, I want to get out here and ride as soon as the road dries up. So I'm going to get ready. I hope you enjoyed the tour and have a good day.